Now I have with me this little hoop here, and I'll be trying to find out how the mass of an object affects the maximum velocity an object can reach while spinning. So how I'm going to do that is first going to spin these two handles together, and after that I'll be spinning only one handle. I'll be using my stopwatch here, and I'll be spinning it for about 6 seconds. So since we want to keep the length the same, I'm going to use my hand over here as a measurement. So we'll be doing it about four hands away. So 1 hand, 2 hand, 3 hand, 4 hands. So I'll be holding it here instead. Let me get my stopwatch here. I've given myself buffer time, so once the stopwatch reaches about 6 seconds, I'll start spinning. 3, 2, 1, go. That was 30 oscillations again, and now we'll be holding it. Now we'll be having one handle instead. So same thing, 1 hand, 2 hand, 3 hand, 4 hands over here. This length. Let me start my stopwatch. And in 3, 2, 1, go. That was also about 30 seconds. But for now, let's start with the reverse. I'll be spinning this thing again. Sorry, no, what I meant to say was that was also about 30 oscillations. But for our second try, I'll be starting it from here, from one handle instead. And after that, then I'll try the second handle. So both tries were about the same oscillations, 30 seconds for both handles and 30 seconds for one handle. I might need to make up for... I'll be doing a second try by reversing the order, since my strength might be depleted after spinning it the first time. So let me just make sure one more time. 1 hand, 2 hand, 3 hands, 4 hands. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's over here. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4. Here. Okay. Oops, let me do it again. 3, 2, 1, go. That was 33 oscillations. And now we'll be trying it for double its mass again. 2 handles. Oops. Okay, so 1 hand, 2 hand, 3 hand, 4 hand over here. Three, 2, 1, go. For that time, we reached about 29 oscillations, and which is lesser than what we had at first. So the first experiment, when we did 2 handles at first, followed by 1 handle, they were both about the same number of oscillations under 6 seconds. And over here, the first one, when we tried 1 handle, it had more oscillations than when we tried 2 handles. So I think our conclusion is that the higher the mass of the object, the lower maximum velocity the object can reach while spinning.